Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a lush, tropical rainforest, surrounded by towering trees and green, vibrant foliage. Feel the warm, humid air enveloping you, carrying with it the earthy scent of the forest and the sweet fragrance of tropical flowers. As you step further into the rainforest, allow yourself to be completely surrounded by the beauty. Listen to the gentle rustle of leaves as you brush against them, the soothing trickle of a nearby stream, and the sound of exotic birds singing high above you. Feel a sense of awe and wonder wash over you as you gaze up at the canopy above, where shafts of sunlight filter through the dense foliage, creating a magical, dappled effect. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more deeply connected to the natural world around you, as if you are one with the rainforest itself. As you continue to explore, let go of any worries or stress, and allow yourself to simply be in the present moment. Stay here for a few moments, soaking in the sights, sounds, and sensations of the tropical rainforest. When you're ready, gently bring your attention back to your surroundings. Take one final deep breath in. And as you exhale, slowly open your eyes, carrying with you a sense of calm and contentment from your time spent in the tropical rainforest.